Sports Eddie Makumase Asante Kotoko per report kakra wedi kan enya no ebusua edi ho adanse se shake up kakra besi technical team no emu na playing body no so atwa so etumi akoho sanse kakra wohunu de wahwem de watietie no de adanse se players ni bi enye fit so mebo edi ama Kotoko ebi eye modemo no na wo form ebi nso eye indiscipline wo report no mu eno edi adanse se Stanley Menzo edne na besi form na Asante eja players ni bi ekwan amomo nso etumi akọ eno ene nia etie ewo Kumase Asante Kotoko na yemra Samates na before Samates no menkotie Abubakar Watara ena edi etupia se togwedie kurukura susuye papa for has no nenso de atwa ne ho ahia no ne ya na duru ba bia ha adwene kakra no wo wie no wodi twi mu se yesi Auroras kamfie no kran ka be 16 17 bi enso biri mu mfie aburu senior team players ne bi emfie yentie de House of Folk Abubakar Watara edi atudwa.
When the Togbe is talking about the vision of House of Folk, but it's not Togbe who has come to be CEO. And yet Togbe no be a coach. And yet Togbe no be accountant. The vision no dao. Or person for House of Folk to the standard level like Ali, like Zamalek, like Widad Raja, all these people. When they have the vision, now you need the people who can come to carry that vision to go forward. That vision not attractive. You that vision interested. Okay, me or Tunja. Auroras can't exist again because Auroras you pay results. You can win, you can yes, Bimpo Anyi actually place no more premier. Say far Auroras say as a transition team, the higher age of home and 19 years. Who play on 18 years is professional. 19 years neighbor. You don't have any base. Everything is spoiled. Or the first person who can say, sure, Aquaba Kuno, Trickeses, and Yanim those issues. Transitions bina. Yenya say see Auroras ye House of Folk junior team. 80% of the players of House of Folk can come from the Auroras on the 17. It's just we started recruitment, you know. That's why we need sporting director. We need, some people say technical director or director of football. It's because the grassroots is taking the boys as coming to starting there. When we are talking about the philosophy, some people think say philosophy like passes. No. There's philosophy for the team like Bayern Munich have his philosophy. We are taking the young players from Germany to come. We call Bayern, we see around 300 kilometers to the Munchen. That's the philosophy.
That is the philosophy. Technical advice at the House of Folk board, no. Abubakar Watara, and I say akwana ne tipa say no, tika kraka no. Na Abubakar so udi mudu, so udi na udi ayi huni yankretru. Ti ojiri yesa na mihwe mu na no contract no akato na bro na asunti ono no ne nkasa ya na enkyerese obi ase odima no beto aso aye akaba busumi pe bi na woni ha se wie ti se obeto aso aye technical advice ani biem so obekọ eno na Watara edwei aba abetudwa yedi ka ka cho se Christopher Enin edne krata akoma Samates mpanimfo se adwuma no odi besi hɔ a nyama bebre mu ba ko a opone ho no interference ni nyina ka ho na odi dwumadie no esi ho as head coach ontiment aso biem na yewura studio sui na yemfa ntudwa se Samates na ewom se yewura nsentire eni hade nanso sese no penkomom ne na die no omagye atomu a omo se thank you nyame Israel enti aseda ana omode ama Christopher Enin ne ba ne se ya explain Christopher no ekohwe da chi bia ya boni di o House of Folk udo na akwa giri yesa interview bia ba betwam has na nkasa nanka ye Kotoko former coach yes Maso Konadu na Maso the report no chese wa nyantum se obekọ akofa sa job no na Christopher Enin ehun ko ba betwam se supporters no omo prefer choice ne o mienu ko Samuel Bodu ena coach ya woda so sesi Christopher Enin ti dachi bia no coach ebenya ana se Bodu de se ya lankene to adua na wie na mafu coach menu so edin wo ho Croatia ne se bia no ho mu baako bia obia so ombe consider na omo de abeka coach ho na ya hwede dachi bia no ɔbɛyɛ head coach ɛde ama hasofok nti didi so bɛtumi akɔ ɛyi o samate so okay nkɔmmɔ no bɛba daakye na yɛdeɛ no nso ɛde aka ho na danger nyabɛm so ho
World Cup na yɛkɔ no fa mɛba has deɛ no so pɛdɛ ma memfiri World Cup deɛ no na Abubakar Watara yɛbɛba so World Cup na yɛkɔ no mpanimfoɔ no nsusu mpagya Ghanafoɔ gyidie nkɔ soro na wopagya gyidie kɔ soro na agye gu a na Ghanafoɔ no sogya ne siw so a ɛno ama mɛka sɛ Ghanafoɔ ano ɔya yɛma no kuredie ɛmbra yɛ nkɔmmɔ no over player for player tournament where you could any tournament back where you qua you did your players more from bar you see we keep over 2014 World Cup near Koya na you go free amount for a free of money and your boy you boy USA Germany Portugal and uncle for a fit our group over US we cheer for Mumu, but no, but the revenge in the buy. Then we played Germany, the eventual winners, and Portugal. We were in the group of death. That tournament in Okoye. That tournament in Okoye, say Egypt 6-1. Matisa Nkofo Kana 2014 cry Okoye. 2014 group ne koto one guy Kiapon Zani Ebau. Ebini na Kiapon group of Portugal and Germany them. And I US them. And I can go to Muna or Bank Point. It's that tournament over. We had Kwega Samoa, we had a Samoa Jan, we had Deda U, we had ACN. Don't they be carry an easy from there. But these were still established guys. So ACN had to call 2014. Or yeah, the HM party near the Nekonen. Kevin Prince Martin had to call 2014. Muntari near call 2014 as MCN. Watch them during the qualifiers. And then they achieve themselves homosexual. So qualifies nyambre. They are not mathematics. A issue of indiscipline. Anyhow, I raise the expectation no, and the tefa so kofa breach by. Not because we are bad. Over. Na nyasa ni nyade. E nyoma ketwa bi na BTS a World Cup no. Na sa World Cup he Majid Waris form and or the 30. He Christian Achu form at sa World Cup no. Asem ketwa bi no fa ba entia. As a 2010 World Cup need the tribu bebre am yam fix it some key elements being a team and see fix it 2014.
To team who dey for mo a we panyina ntimi call for support won.
Yes, support no call it over.
I say.
The difference between support and we say kura bone.
Football mo me pacho. Baby and that's when you say kasa ntimi fa nkomo.
That's when you know they are defeat in the show.
Okay.
Football.
Yo.
Ba ku mi enu bi na bia e bia tia fa so me won se makase. Tournament here kwe one thing na me e me dey e bia US omo weather no ne ade no. Over. It seems to have some sort of advantage for a free say ne kakra. Ba ball no over. Ye nduru ho. Panama ball no kra na e ko ball no kra na AMC share ne territory. So I think we must speak with the kind of manage expectation. You manage expectation in my Ghana for. No fankwa ko fancy PNT yan fambre. Ama o chine bi no so ankwa ya asem foforo. Oba Watara. You see? Has leadership no. Yemfa no kren kasem. There've been a lot of problems with the kind of appointment omo you. Oh, now kwa eti say aya na ne ka kwa ofa du ba bi ana ne ka no kwa he obi wie na wasan ne obi anya asem. Ofa no kren ye say the appointment surrounding her to folk in proper screening. They say Pawatara you made the event pan with your house.
So your technical advice
and season query. I tenacity is scared the Watara afeno.
For so basso.
Afeno. Me I heard Juma would dear. Near Bisson say, what time had time ha? A idea a boy has and a house to scale with. But these are some of the questions. These are things we should be talking about. Mem among baona Watara pamona na ha say pamono over. Na SSA supporters na the pressure koi. If the leadership felt Watara was the man, na so much supporters na try catch him say opeyini say ni nti mana to adwuma no so. Na nka didi musi kom de mo no fan kom de no ato. Na nse ma papa yi kike. Nti ofa pa fa kwan mu de. I know the bit me transform how to folk to the next level.
But the all Canadian no say no room. Na yes ya Aras na won fie be 25 a. Yeah, I know ya Aras no.
It what one adwuma na den.
And you different from enokre. Some who say enokre na na.
What can to say. Of I adwuma na say ya ba betas na stories. Ni akwa ko gina soro ni aka say. Your passport for no stories no mo ye no. Ensem fata. Ebre adwuma. One is if his role as a technical advisor to the board, and his role as basically indirectly is acting like a technical director of the club, knowing that youth football is a key element for the future of the main team. No, I'll buy about 2 say yes, something for what I'll buy 2 years. Hamza back to 1 year. Hamza back to 1 year. Last time we interviewed Wanka. Oba to kono. I the ages of players nature on kwa na offer. Omundiri 20. Maybe was 17, 18, 19. I don't 2 penny for said Debbie.
Ebi on the kind of man kwan but how do you kind ya man kwan.
What fan is going now nene no to where. Ava. Wada e wa adwuma no ho. And oto boba park so. Because they say that can tell Hamza yes I didn't know kotokana. Oba e na me ko me kai Kotoko team no the board division 3 no man qualify last year. Omo kobo cheetah cap no. Na be 10 players a free. And I may call fine out them so Hamza buy no say. He say omo ba no mo pa under 17 and under 16 for no. Ntu ko 4B no 18 years ni ade a. Wa bro division 3 so. Nti da so de be call a division 1 team and now so de be senior team no. Anya ofen na mom sesa players score ko United no. This is Hamza. Shebuoni ni dia the ball table dem Watara. Watara ebe kroma yeso be strengthen has team na kwesi sen. Yes Watara or links. E be boa me aton has players. Now who are war links runim say over. The clubs outside are not looking for players above 20. So if your youth team is made up of players above 20, and you cry one na cheetah FC for one. Ah of a young crime put them one a right to dream for no one. And ya crown a dreams youth team no one. And you want a crown was one almost a sound. So this is not an issue of Nkwalani who. It's an issue of the Juman no ye.
But that's it. Say Obet.
Okwaka. Ebe sembebre but Sikano no see a Tuagusa and Fasobian but Watara buy power. Would they take him away from her still no coach here? Or what channel at the card by some. Then why are they about him?
But I say Obet to Kofi Zakito. Tino. Zach.
It's very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Now, if I remember house now, unse what happened here? Unse I etiai. Obi akato se gane kakwaji work up. There's it, because no. I should have said, oh, okun. Oh, onye okun because of them already expectation. I could do level where I'm sure you'll be shocked. And then say Ghana think about more than
let me pen.
Oh, bomb is different from Okorini. The last time South Africa say about your home and you can do well without necessarily winning the trophy.
Pray for a new moment.
Yes. Senyami adomna ofru group no na okora no 32.
But wo kwa konso ya nkase me kodinku kase me kodinku ni.
Obi anu a so kase ye kodinku go.
Me kodinku akona me kon medinku nim.
Enti me kon ye bebo ye ogidi se bebo ye homoden. Uno bia eni asem bia biom. But you see our ministers no the almost became the populist approach. I said, my main castle na enye Crawford de. There be we nya Ghana league ne kwa ko no ena nye division 1 league ne kwa ko no. This is the World Cup. And Wintina, it's no wonder say from 1930 there about a starting World Cup, you know. Only 8 countries and Aje. It's N1. Now 8 countries in Pono. Unya betano kum unya betano Uruguay mo early stages ni film cause that time no free moi. You understand? You see recently when we say Nanse no oyi Spain a on Gibeon no abegia as omo eni mo England kwaji bi 60 ebesin 66 ebesin ne ebesin ne so I say eti ne jedin papa and you see ye wo tournament ba ultimate surprise bi no kwaji bi enye bi ni World Cup. What is say? Have you ever seen a surprising country winning the World Cup before? Every country that have won the World Cup, time are not original. Only more than one OG. Say, a bit say the English for year, Euros, no. A bit means World Cup. A bit means you. World Cup, a bit you. Say, unyo time Oko World Cup, no be nobody regards you as a team to go and win the World Cup. Osi me free baby aya ahwasem na me butu nkofo me yo da bi enya nsa World Cup. The World Cup bi oni mo no bo. If you check the issue of the World Cup, team bia time na no oji World Cup be no ni mo no bo. Onya underdogs no oji World Cup no. Underdogs en ye nyem mema sem at the World Cup as underdogs. There be. Eti you praise to do well. Just like we did well in South Africa, I'll be a boy abaso. Just like Morocco, they did well at the last World Cup, be a bomb abaso. Previously, Senegal, Cameroon, they did well, be a bomb abaso. In the end, but sometimes you see, I don't like the populist approach. You know, young Kesane, Mongophone in jail, then there be. This is our team. Our biggest disadvantage is time now coaching by now. Because World Cup there, a coach there, and case you coach, I bet you know coach, at least Asho Moses at the World Cup. We have a grade A coach at the World Cup. You better coach in the house and automobile, you're grade Z. But with Carlos, you're grade A coach at the World Cup. But having a coach at the grade A coach at the World Cup, no. The material said no grade A no okochira no grade A by ran for no fine World Cup. Eti you can be you are good very good coach but the material how you use to compete no any problem no enti honorable ne all the politicians we say any am no so mka say na we ya record to okona nko ya then they will play it back to you say we can say na ko season tell no munya botere Watara unse Tino he's taking advice Amboa and previously no by so by head coach he didn't come as a technical director of the club make previously say Oba as a coach but not technical director next na work no onya botere for me bia partly I agree with him he's making a very good suggestion to the board going forward. Only maybe Ghana and Kwan a youth team. Most of youth team no. When you can say when you see players now senior team no. And this our youth team now when you see the obo senior team, the best nobody develop na no wadana kokora oko. Vesa mame has folk omo last 2 seasons. Arura son kola no. You know, don't put the team no coach, you know. We share Uncle we in here. Was who you team. Oh, the who do whatever. We will go. I want you to see their face. These are pros.
So, where are current one?
But number team now.
Minimum didn't take us in Nimana. What are a pass? Who didn't take us here?
You see? If you look at them, I'm for picture back on some the current ha we are just a sure. We mo odo mo kwanyema. We mo ina no dia bebrenisin dombo a house folk main team no. Eti you see he's telling them something say yes there's a problem is saying youth team no kwanye for youth team our Ghana say no enye Kotoko we facing similar problem. Yeah, guess youth team abako youth team ugo hu akwa pa go hu ne na bojo se o just youth team player na bojo se kwa lo e di be 20 years tinu abosha no kwa 20 years o nti just imagine
te youth no kaya de pepe ye kasman kan free age ben pa to say na e yank boa
unse at ofa uko baby omo football pa omo wa at under 21 because they believe say at that age there say obetimi abobo na you should be able to play at that age.
The pass be free 15 to 21.
Yes.
Youth dey na as a whole.
Yes. Omo akonya at 21. Ndo hia opeke Liverpool, Real Madrid, money Arsenal, money Man United, money youth team players no. They start releasing them when omo bru 20 ekwa. Because that time
ada so be senior team no man na say
because that time if one man break here if you are youth team at Liverpool, Man United, Real Madrid and Arsenal, one time breaking through at by before 20 years omo hu ni say enye yi nti ona na e jaja ona mboso omo na fiche no.
Okay.
Eti Hamza said no Berkan did a very good job. Because oba no ohwe ages na no mo dey youth team na. How can so say a youth team there? Ages na wosoro. Eti yemma number form. Send the by the time player no be develop year no because by development way on here 2 to 3 years to develop. But so when 19 years there.
Betting.
I mean we also know what na FSN. You I think say for maybe I think that he's giving them a very good advice that in the future among fa eno and how they build their youth team. Nja say go for abonche no ko 20 years. We
I stop. Yanchichana kakanga cry.
Over me that say. Mami fan free artistic game say for some time now they work kasapa and normally no say position be competition wo ho na obi ni hu na work kasasa na say either say or can dia pe sa position no ana say o assurance ne say isia de ene dia nti no oye nti emi say enkwa ankonkosi o chana na o twe de ebehu maybe asusu ade ball ha befa ebehu say e bia on necessary number 1 slot no emi say what me secure we say
Award mo hwa fa na be number 1 because sa last friendly now boy no a we dey best start here no o ade ne be sa na we dey start here na chese o so ro so abehwa abe cancer ho ana se eno no chese de o dey be ko game no mo na o ye no
se un se asare so be there bi senka on daiwe ya
we the see ya
Kodesia kameka se ni coach na pick no
no
asare so be there bi nti
but we the more
e bia na ohwe omienu sa asare no for some time na
wada
na ono no onimo omienu nyina sa na time of the form no me say oba ekra me say ni friend dey wa boy ani
a coach ni mum de na nyanka nyama nyimbe ready adanse sen ko be hia be 2-3 bia bo aka ho
onyam
ba time no so aso sa
so enka ye kra na nke kenke be ma ye fair idea so ho enti sisi ai no training na na say odi be decide but then he will pick somebody to be imposed enti no ye be hwe nyame bona se first match ni du so a ye be hwe se na be kono but nsem be ho ma wo ka me ba ko offer AFCON no different competition work up to different competition no atizigi yankwa AFCON no yentimi yanko bi Ghana for ya de wo kan nyina no se mokọ work up yi na se the honorable minister say ko jabe mokọ di work up ba ho na be ka AFCON asem of am pato so wanya me point enti wo de jai Afcon 7 to ho na mo focus no mo bibia and because Afcon no I just say the Gary and I say esichire ehwe egu anwemu no eko ehun wie nya ebiem nti there's nothing like an Afcon in our minds now. The only reason why Nkofo be come back to Afcon and they say wake up no be kwakoye a disaster and the any akofa no mienu de beto hon mo hu say mo di Ghana hwamo na mo ko wake up yi na Ghana edu quarter finals yi semi finals na mo finals na mehu Nkofo no bi o maye social media na dia maye Brazil na abodro bi na penalties kra na e dia Argentina fi say Brazil fi ne dia age cup na. Do you know what you have done to this country? And even your own self, your career and everything, no more family maybe yeah. Afcon be a could second say buy to talk jeep with my players no. I'm say when me the nka omunya sikrum ha dia bibia omudia. Oh we dey kram ka some power here e dey mo omo. Enti no omu nkobo man no omu nkobo mo omo ho. No omu nyiro omo ho na senia coach no FA president minister mu nyina wa reach mu say Ghana beje no omu nkojem na titi eba ne sa kasa na ayetia na asem dia enso edi na sem ko ofa na wo si watara akaba ebo sumi na ne contract na wo ho
be de metie ne dia
so ye kasa enne da ye kasa he still works for House of Folk
ana dia enwe dia odwa be gunu nya nwu ya
time be say question bi say aden na Nkofo bibi o mo koye adwuma ba dia na se bia say adwuma no mo wie no mo kwa o ntimi nkoma no ntum gin no mo ko
aso watara dia ye nim ni nyina no ntimi nkana no ntum na bre no nsuye kura no oka asem a asa adwuma no wawie me ana mente za to for me ba wo mutie ne comment de okasa wo mutie wo mutie
minti nchire wo fa on say
ana ye onni yen kan say onnim twi bisu bebre so ka be ne be ye kasa na anu de ntimi fanya yi won
say language ni kwa de mambi say wakasa nye no wakasa say so
exact wo ka ona yes so obi kan oti ase ana me boa
aso kan ye ti no kan
ah bi no on chance obu be nyina
ofa na say so okay
na obi okasa bu be
o twi di o ka na o say wo kan na bat
o be so money look like I say onim ne wo kan na say na kasa no
say ni nchim free ya ana me boa me na me person busa say tra de watra cho wotika otimika
but enti wo pa chere say asem no say ya wo kan no
bia na
kasa pepe no wo kan no ka e bianka or the French ne kan ko be kama afi
e bi so no so ye
ofa onim de wo kan
onim de wo kan okay
but anyway a technical advisor to the board I think anka wo wie na dwuma no ho he prepare certain document no wa ka kire o de ama board
na me na makopa no wo so aka wa mat what if obesa to aso eno so ya na wo fela so
ama some year was small so beto aso ka de offer ene de wo ye no ene ehun kra mba so wo hu na me cho no because say if Aroras is supposed to be the feeder club now ni 2 years stay with House of Folk what now ma 22 years and 23 years for that so Aroras say busa na questions and just more kan ya say wo yi no afiri mu no ma Nkofo bi na aso mo no aye bibi e na me kire madwen kakra no because we a decision maker ye nyina nim say agbasi betina House of Folk no kan ho bi. And in terms of who comes in play, at a point, you know what we say. Even at the lower level, if they know the boy mama did son or say, Togbe, ewo, and you shall who can say the team no. Now so Togbe on your coach, when you're MD, when you're CEO. One nipa was say what patch on say or patch say the problem of the club. But also now your coach.
Now was any panel when I refer to board and management.
That be say obodi say
obodi
obo CEO obo MD obo coach o se to gbe ni so ahudi hunu de owo opeso di team no to sa level no e ko Zamalek no ne Sundowns no level no na so onye coach ba wo na wo ye coach enti be bia na so to gbe e ba coach na wontimi nye na esa ka wotimi ye de boa ofa mba cho sa
so be ya boa woni Nkofo bi na ye adwuma won so bia na o de kono mu nso mu a on de na be ka when I dey okay na me dey to aso say
nti na make say
e bi o ye na fam de but ya anya nto
and what country no any other assumptions bia ye betima ye de but the what can there as I said ya analyze it and say be so person what make some assumptions I would account me dey me hwe nyina na say one no head coach ɛne elevating ne yɛde ne kɔ technical advisor enti arolas hɔ yi a wɔka sɛ 22 19 34 ne 44 na ɛbu deɛ na ɔka kyerɛ wɔn mo
once obi bɛka ne sare sɛ bia wabɔ hɔ abɔ hɔ a yɛantie no ntiɛ neɛ ne ma menka
enti kaka bosome a wɔbɛkɔ yi wagya document kama
ɛhɔ no deɛ me ne wɔyɛ adwen
ɔmo fa na ɔmo kɔ mu a na ɔmo sɛ okay structure na ka pɛ sɛ ka odi adwuma ni na yɛamoa wo dakye bi no ɛtu ɛbɛbɛ dictate
okay mate
nti ya na wɔma ne nkɔmmɔdie no ho yɛyɛ sɛ yɛdeɛ woma yɛ news a yɛbɛka no yɛdeɛ ɛsɛ news no yɛpɛ yɛ adwuma no no yɛ news makers yɛpɛ news nti wokasa a yɛdeɛ yɛpɛ ba wo kasa nso so ka hunu sɛ you are working for an institution a bosom so you go and fetch your salary sɛ wo kasa no bɛgu saa institution no ho fi sɛ the institution no ɛne mo nya bɛba fam a ɛbɛde no mo nyɛ sika kora de atua wo ka
okay